Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can install pip or pip in your VS Code for your Python in Windows 11. So before downloading pip or pip, you need to make sure that you have installed Python into your system. So if you have Python into your system, then there are high chances that pip is already installed when installing Python. So all you can do is simply make sure that you have installed Python, and if yes, then yes, pip is already into your system. So to check this out, simply type in the following command into the terminal of your VS Code. Then after typing in, simply hit the enter key, and here you can see that the pip version 24.0 is present into my system. So that's how you can verify the presence of pip or pip into your system and VS Code. So that's it for this video. I will see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well. Comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.